Shan, Get Star Industrial Group Company Limited is a global one-stop welding and cutting service provider. We offers one-stop solutions for everything you need for TIG, MIG, plasma, MMA-related products including torches, accessories, equipment, welding wires, tungsten, helmets and gloves, gas regulators, cable connectors, and other accessories, and has combined a complete range of products into 10 product lines and more than 5,000 products to choose. With high-skilled production and advanced factory equipment, our associated factory could quickly produce torches, accessories, equipment according to your demand, factory equipment including CNC equipment, automatic machines, testing system, with an output 7,000 pieces torch per month and 50,000 pieces accessories per month. Get Star Weld have a good reputation among our foreign customers from over 90 countries because of over 30 years experience, strictly quality control, 7 days delivery for regular products, advanced production and testing equipment, free design service, international standard material, completed selection, thoughtful customer service, sufficient and qualified raw material, and lifelong technical support. OEM and ODM orders are welcomed. Get Star Weld is a famous brand in some regions. If you want to be our agent, welcome to contact our sales master. We will continue to devote ourselves to our mission, welding connect the world and build a better life.